Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look using the Morphe palette. This is the 3502, what are you called? Second Nature. Sorry, the box is down here. I'm like, what is this palette called? Now there's one particular reason I wanted this palette, and I'm going to show you. Let me take off the plastic. The little come out of there. The main reason I wanted this palette was because, do you see these right here? Y'all. So I've been into oranges, yellow, reds, you name it, I've been into it. Okay, so when I saw this on Ulta, I was like, I really kind of want that palette, just because I want to test. I've never used any of the Morphe eyeshadows. I do have the Morphe Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette, and I'm actually wearing Chihu, I guess, this color right here as a blush today, so it's actually really super pretty. The highlight I actually have on my face is from the Tarteist Pro Glow in the color Stunner. Love this color. I've been dying to use it. I actually wanted to do like a video. I wanted to do a video on this palette, the Tarteist palette, with the cream contour, the bronzer, and then that shade of the Stunner. But I don't know. I just seemed like there was so much more I wanted to do. So anyway, getting off subject. I'm gonna get into this right now. So we're gonna use this palette today. We're gonna use those red shades you saw, of course. I'm trying to think. That's a shimmery one, right? Yeah, that's the shimmery one, which is gorgeous. I think that's the one we're gonna put on our lids today. I was actually gonna do this dark red shimmery one, but I kind of want to do the orange one. I think I have the look I want to do. I didn't even know what I was going to do. I'm like, oh my god, I want to use them all. I mean, I guess technically I could, but that'd be a hot mess, right? So I'm going to try to remember to leave the names that I'm using down below, because I mean, the little things back here, but actually I think it's called Ablaze. We're going to take Ablaze and put that all over our lid, and it is the orangey one right here. So we're gonna put that all over our lid, our crease. I meant our crease, I said lid. So let's dip into it. Ew. Do y'all see that pigmentation? Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Wow. I'm actually disappointed that I didn't get this quicker or sooner. Like, order it a long time ago. But you know how sometimes, like, the hype is so much on a product, you're just like, no thanks. That's kind of how I felt with the Morphe. I felt like everyone was just absolutely just trying to throw it out there, like, Morphe, Morphe, Morphe. Every time I turned around, a new YouTuber had Morphe, and it's just like, why? I mean, it's nice. It's pigmented, obviously, as you all can see. Girl, your eyeballs are on fire, and I like it like that. Yes. Okay, well, I think I'm actually gonna go in with, what do I want to do? I really want to use the color Fire. It's that bright reddish orange right here. I really want to use that so bad. I think I'm going to. And we're going to put this like directly into our crease. And I'm just going to bring it down on the lid. Like so. Pretty. I am going to take a darker brown. Which one do I want? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the color I'm wanting is terracotta. It is this really pretty dark browny orange looking color there. So that is also going to go in our crease. Just to kind of darken that up a little bit. And I'm just like barely even touching the crease with this color. Ooh, yes. Because I want to, like I have to. And that is called Sauce. That's the color we're going to put on our eyeballs. But I'm actually going to put on this white iridescent color from Cover Fix, the enhancement drops. And we're going to put this all over our eyeballs. And then we'll go in with that fire color. Oh, yes. Can you all see that? Oh my goodness. I am in love. Oh girl. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? Like, look how gorgeous. I feel like I need to zoom you guys in. Like, I'm like, can you see? Can you see? And I'm sitting here like, I don't know if they can see this or not. Look how pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Love it. So I'm gonna take a black liner, which I don't think I have a good black liner here. I'm like scared to use this. Is that really bad to say? But I am. I'm just gonna find a eyeshadow. Like, that's how long it's been since I've done a liquid liner, and I'm really afraid I'm gonna mess this entire look up over it. Actually, there's a color I'm going to put in the corner of my eyeballs. And I think it would look really good. It's the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Always or Forever Lit. That's like my favorite highlighting color. It is just so pigmented, like, and it's just a beautiful color. Heck yeah. gorgeous. But you know what? She's actually got an orange colored one in here. I wonder what that would look like. I just want orange everything, you guys. Orange everything. Like, why not? Heck yeah. Look at that. 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 My camera's overheated and my... Hey guys, so I'm just coming back on here to finish off the video. It's been hours since I filmed the first bit of this, and I apologize. The baby was absolutely putting me through it. So anyway, so I just finished off my eye look. I did a black liner and my mascara. The lips is Urban Decay and the color Fuel with Fenty Beauty. Sorry, let me see. With the Fenty Beauty Bilingual Gloss over top, and that's the lip color I have on. I thought orange everything would be really pretty, either that or a nude, so I like the orange. So yeah guys, so this is the finished look. I'm actually gonna zoom you in and just in just a little bit more, just so you can really kind of see what it looks like. I had sunglasses on earlier, ignore that, but yeah, so here is the eye look, and then there's the lips. So oh, getting way up there, aren't we? So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I apologize for it being so late for me to finish this video, but I did want to come on here and end it and show you the final product. So this has been on for hours, so I feel like it's done pretty good holding up. So really haven't touched the eyes at all except for the mascara, just because I was looking for my fake lashes and I couldn't find any fake lashes, and I did want more of a thicker lash on my lashes, but I couldn't find it. So this is what I'm stuck with, but I think it looks good. So yeah, so anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below if you liked the video. If you didn't like it, also leave me a comment down below, tell me what you did not like about it, just to help my channel grow a little bit better. And I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye, and we're out. Good night.